What's the meaning of apparatus? Apparatus. Apparatus.
Apparatus. Apparatus. The word apparatus refers to a set of equipment or machinery designed for a specific purpose. It is often used to describe complex systems or machines that are used in scientific experiments or industrial processes. The result of an apparatus can vary depending on its intended purpose, but it is typically meant to perform a specific function or produce a desired outcome. Some examples of apparatus include laboratory equipment used for chemical analysis, manufacturing machinery used to produce goods, and medical devices used to diagnose and treat illnesses.